Have you ever asked AI to write an email or plan a trip, and what it spit out sounded like a robot reading a textbook? The problem isn't the AI. The problem is how you asked. Today, I'm going to give you the simple three-step formula to get the perfect answers from AI every single time. Welcome to Simple AI Life. I'm Lionel. The biggest frustration I hear from Gen Xers trying to use AI is that the answers are too generic. They sound fake. That happens because you are treating the AI like a search engine instead of an employee. If you tell an AI, write an email to my boss, they won't know what to say. The AI doesn't either. We've put together a cheat sheet of our top 25 most powerful prompts. You can just copy and paste them. It's totally free. Grab it in the link in the description. CTF, which stands for context, task, and format, it's something you're probably not going to remember. But if you remember the general idea of how it works, the context is basically what you need. The task is what you want it to do, and the format is how you want it displayed back to you. That's the simplest way to put that. Write an email to customer service about my broken blender. This is a bad example, obviously. And, well, there you have it. It's got a bunch of stuff, and then you could fill out, the issue, the usage. It looks basically like something that you would download off a site, and it's very robotic, and you just have to fill it in. Can it be efficient? Yes, but is it giving you the information you need? Maybe not. Maybe it's not reaching where you want it to reach. Of course, the AI sounds a little stiff, and, legal sounding letter, and has all that information in there that you need, but it's not giving it to you the way you want it. Simple, to the point. Now, let's use CTF. First, the context. I need a letter written to customer service. I am a frustrated customer whose blender broke after 2 uses. I want you to be polite but firm in the email, and I would like a full refund, and I want it to be under 3 paragraphs. And also, I want you to make sure that it sounds conversational. There you go. And as you can see, it looks a little bit politer and more natural. And it's even highlighted full refund. But it starts off with hi, customer service team, being polite. It's way more simple, but we can do that even better. Let's check out one more little trick with this. Can you rewrite the email? Basically, it's good job, but write it as on an 8th grade level. And as you can see, this is actually really cool. It just has the subject, the blender, the order number that you would fill in. Hi there, I'm writing because I'm pretty upset about a blender. This sounds like a human being wrote this now. This is so much better. So those are the basic simple tricks that you can use to get better prompting ideas. So remember, if the AI still sounds too robotic, you can add the little sentence at the end of your prompt right at an 8th grade reading level and use a conversational tone. It instantly strips away the corporate jargon and makes it sound human. Prompting is a skill, and like any skill, it just takes a little practice. Don't forget to download the top 25 prompting guide below so you don't have to start from scratch. If you learned something today, hit the like and subscribe button. Keep it simple, and I'll see you in the next video.